Ng'ebibiina by'obufuzi by'enjawulo bigenda mu maaso n'okusunsula abagenda okubikwatira bendera mu kalulu kabona ak'omwaka 2026. Abamu ku bakaba ba Paalamenti bennyamivu olw'abalonzi abasusse okubapeekawo ensimbi ng'ekisumuzo ky'okubalonda. Godfrey Feta omubaka akiikira abantu be Ivu East ne David Lageni omubaka wa Agogo County bagamba nti ebituuse munnabyabufuzi ne bweyogera okusuula enjuba nga towadde balonzi nsimbi oviiramu awo ng'ogusima ebbomba.
Even if you give the best piece and you don't give the money, people still count you are not the right person to be taken to address the issues. You must be able to bring issues that affects them at the same time, give them money.
I went to a place, I spoke to them and I refused to give money. They were complaining. But where you go and address people, you give them money, you give them food, nobody is complaining. But where you go and address them, you speak to them about development issues, the developments that you have attracted in the last 4 years, the good things you have done in the constituency. They will be happy. But after that, they expect to go with 10,000, 5,000.
Abaka balaze okutya nti singa embeera tekyukamu ebyobufuzi byakuggwamu abantu abalimu ensa basigalira abalina ebisawo by'ensimbi nga ne gye bazijje teri amanyiyo.
In the near future, politics in this country will be run by mafias because you don't understand the source of the mafia's money, but they are spending. They are spending. Some people steal money, run away for some time, and they return with that money and they join politics. They are not prosecuted.
Wabula ye yaliko mbaka wa municipal ye Kasese Robert Centenary asekeredde bannabyabufuzi abamaliridde okutunda buli kye balina okufuuka abaka ba Paalamenti ng'agamba nti bano bajja kwejjusa kuba ssente balowooza nti mu Paalamenti eziri teziriiyo.
It's very unfortunate that everyone out there thinks that the only lucrative job they can have is Parliament, and therefore they are investing everything they can, including taking loans, selling their properties, depleting all their savings to invest into the campaign. But one thing I would like to advise is that you may put in that money and you may take forever or even never recover that money. Whatever you think is in Parliament, if you are looking for wealth from Parliament, you may never get it.
Abaka bakkanyiza kimunti nti akakiiko ak'ebyokulonda mu ggwanga Uganda tekakoze kimala okulwanyisa omuze gw'okukozesa ensimbi mu biseera ebya kalulu.
I personally see that Election Commission has something to do. Many of the people in the community need to be sensitized. Community need education. Civic education is highly needed, and that is what we are lacking.
Frank Chiddu yakusakedde eggulire lino ku lwa KSTV Agali.